Jeff Rowe from Two Hacks Garage. Well, back at Jimmy's shop and working on Project Jumping Jack Flash. I've been all over the place, up at Kyle's, up at John Cope's working on my transmission. Well, we got a whole lot of work still left to do on this Dragster before we paint it. We're waiting on an axle and those parts, but in the meantime, Jimmy and I are going to try to finish up all the body panel work. And some of that body panel work actually includes making a template for this seat bucket. I have some really cool pattern vinyl, leather, pleather, what do you want to call it, diamond stitched, pretty neat stuff that we're going to make a really cool nostalgia seat cover for this and also for the backing. Still waiting on that to come in, but you know what? There's a cool way to be able to make a template for that. We got our white list over there. We're starting to check stuff off. This is a big piece of that before we get it painted. I did get the paint in for the actual body panels, so we really need to make a whole lot of headway of getting those done. But here's what I got, guys. It is Kraft paper. Like in the last video we talked about, cardboard is your friend. So is Kraft paper. These make really good, awesome templates when you need to make something, you know, cut out and all that. It's thicker than paper. It's thinner than cardboard, so it bends real nice. So we're going to use Kraft paper to make... With an FT, right? Yes, Kraft paper, not crap paper. Kraft paper to make templates for this seat cover. If you notice, it's curved. You just can't lay something down and make it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get started on that. We still got some other body panel work to do. I'm rambling. Jimmy's about ready to get back to work. I've had a long day at my normal job. I'm actually ready to do something fun.
There's actually a lot of things that's spelled C-R-A.
Yes.
That is round and it does lay down.
And it is paper. And it is paper. But in this case, it's not that type of paper. So with that, guys, we're going to go get to work and get some stuff done. See you soon. All right, so yes, parchment, whatever you want to call it, brown wrapping paper, it is your friend. So if you notice what Jimmy and I did is we laid down some tape and we started slow rolling this. You got to remember, you're working with 3 or 4 different angles on here. Then what I did behind there is I drew the line out where the seatbelt's going to go, and I made it a little bit bigger so the seatbelt doesn't want to really rub on any body panels there. I had to add a piece because I didn't measure right. But what I need to do now is I need to draw a line going over the top and the bottom because I am going to leave a lip on there and polish that out and make it look all cool. So what I'm going to do is go get back to work and try to get this template done, because once this template's done and my fabric comes in, it's time to you know, make the seat back and go from there. It's going to be held in by snaps, which is pretty easy. You'll be able to see them, snap it on, snap it off. I got the tool in for that and the snaps. Real quick, guys, here is the actual seat pan. This is going to be a whole lot easier. So with this here, this is going to be nice and polished, and the actual seat pan, obviously you can see it's flat, so making a template for that is going to be super easy. I have some 3 and 4 inch foam, and there'll be a bottom piece to this, and it'll be wrapped with the same fabric that I'm getting in. I was hoping it was in today, but it got delayed in shipping, and you know what, guys, it is what it is. But yes, this brown wrapping paper that I got like at a dollar store, Kraft paper, that's what they call it. Actually works pretty well for multiple things. With that, I need to get back to work. See you soon. real quick, guys. Well, I've been working on making that template. If you saw in a video a while back, we started doing stuff with the fuel pedal and all that. Jimmy's getting the rest of that taken care of. I did get a cable in, and it's pretty neat. He made all this himself. Like I said, it's a previous video. There's an end cap that goes on this. But if you see here how that works, there's our fuel pedal. He made that from scratch. Pretty neat. It'll get polished out, make it look nice. What he's working on now is making a throttle stop here out of a bracket, and it'll have an adjustable stop here. And we won't know the actual stop on that until we get the injector head on it, put it wide open, and put that stop. But yeah, I'm working on that. Jimmy's working on that. I'm making things look nice in the future, and he's going to make it go fast in the future. All right, so here is our template. You know what, guys? It actually worked pretty well. Like I said, it's trimmed. It's going to get a little bit more fine honing down in here, but you got to remember there's going to be a 4-inch pad with a seat cover. Yes, I'm using my other roll as a pointer. And by the way, guys, this is Duck brand craft paper. It's actually printed and made in the USA. Nice. So yeah, well, that's what's going to happen is I'm going to take this then to a person I know that does upholstery work, and what they're going to do is with the fabric that I got for this, which I'll show you when it comes in, they're going to make this, and there's going to be a backing on it. When we get it back, Jimmy and I will add the snaps to it, and we'll have the seat made here. So it's going to look pretty nice. Like I said, I'm going to leave a little bit of lip on there because I'm going to polish that out real nice. And along with this front seat pan, you know what, guys? It's going to look pretty nice. That'll be polished there. It's really cool vintage look. I think you're going to dig it. But yeah, you know what, guys? Like I said, this is a quick video. I just want to show everybody what we're doing along the way the entire time. Might be boring, but just want to document all of it. But one thing cool, guys, is if you just put your brain to some stuff, use some, you know, dollar store craft paper, you can make a template. Just like cardboard, craft paper is your friend. Turned out pretty well. Hour and a half worth of work to get it fine honed. It's going to be worth it. See you in the next one. Later.